Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to study about inheritance. First of all, we have to know about inheritance. What is inheritance? Let's know by the tabular form. Suppose there are two classes. This is A class and this is B class. Here I want to access some data of this class. I want to get this, and from this it will give its some feature. The class which access the data from other class is called derived class, because it has get the data from other class, and this is called base class. This is the basement of the every class that are derived from it. In inheritance, we can pass data from one class to another class, and we can maintain security also in this class. First of all, we will know there are many types of inheritance what we are going to study. First of all, this is a single level inheritance. I will type all in the note our editor, but here it is not possible. This is a single level inheritance, and there is another called multiple A, B and C. B will get all the feature of A, can get all the feature of A, and C can get all the feature of B. And in this condition, C can get the feature of A too. This is how we can say this is multi-level, means C is getting the feature of B and A both. Now we will know about next component. Let's say there are three class is A, B and C. C is getting the value of all the feature of A and feature of B, means C is getting from A and B both. This is called multiple inheritance. This is multi-level inheritance, this is single level inheritance, and this is multiple inheritance. Multiple and multi-level. This is multi-level, means there are more level, and here are multiple classes that we can get access. Now we will study about single level inheritance. Let's move there. First of all, we will create class. I will say this is base class, and here in this class I will make constructor here that will get parameter. I will pass parameter as I will pass here parameter. First of all, I should pass this class self, and I will pass a number A. Here now this will get the value A here, and now let's make this value self dot A is equal to A. Now we will make one function here, defined function. This is put. This method will print the values self dot put. I will print dot A. Now this is the base class, and I will make class derived, and it will Now we need not to make the constructor, but here we have to pass this class base. This class base is like argument, but this is not a argument, it is a inheritance. It is getting all the feature of this base class as a argument. Now we need not to initialize this as here because we have already initialized in the base class, and we can simply make another function defined, and I will make get. I will make here self 2. Here I should pass here, and I should get here a variable called b. Self dot b is equal to b. Now I will simply make one function that will print this value. Self put 2 is equal to self, and let's print self dot b. Now how we can make the class here, object of this class? We will make the object of this class only, because this is the inheritance. This is assessing this value from this. This derived class is assessing all the feature of this base class. This is only for we are printing a simple number because this is a demonstrating purpose. You can make big program using this. We will try to make this program in using 2 or 3 script. I will taught you that how we can take the class from different script. Also this is one script. I want to see this. This is inheritance.py. This is on script, and suppose I have this main.py. I can get that class here if they are in both in same folder. We can make this easily. Now I want to make object is equal to, I should make the object of derived class. Here is no constructor, and let's run and see it what we will get here. And there is the point of thinking is how it will get. Let's make this, run this variable here, this 2, and it will run easily, but this will not run here. We should also get this. Now I will make object dot get, here I will pass 10 and simply object dot put 2. Let's see, it will print 10, but I need to print here one value I have to pass here, but we will test it. Now initializing value, because this is giving us error. Why this is giving us error, I will explain you. This initialization means this constructor is also the constructor of this derived class, because this derived class is assessing this value and we should pass this value also. Here it is, this initializing value is already called here. When this is called here, we should pass this argument of a, but here we have not passed any argument here. So we can pass here, I will pass here simply 20. Let's run it. It will not print here because I have not made this. And you should think how we have called this class here, and we can simply call this class object of this class, and the method we have defined here by making dot operator. But how can we print this without making the object of this base class? For this, first of all I will try to run it and see if I got 10. Yes, I have got 10. Now I have to get this 20 also. I will get this simply by passing object dot put, because we are now, again I will explain it, this we are getting this all this feature of this base class to this derived class. So we can get each and every function by this object. Now let's run and see. We should give 10 and 20. It is taking me sorry, here is one was given. This is, we have to pass here self. I have forgot this. Yes, I have get this 10 and 20. This is a single level inheritance. How you can make this? You may know, you may have get some concept of inheritance. If you practice for more, you will get all, and it is so easy. You can make it easily, and you can build so large application by the help of object oriented programming. This is the most benefit of object oriented programming, is making complex programming. This is not a complex programming as we have done, because it is a simple passing value, and this is for only learning purpose. So we are going to make the clearance of these object and these things. Not we are going to work with a large program. As we have done some project in Python, and I will show one of them from multiple inheritance or something like this, using classes of paradigm. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next video with multi-level inheritance. Thank you.